So how can you help your lower back pain? Well, there's a few things that you can do, but before we get into those things of what to actually do to help them, we need to think about what your low back pain actually is. See, if we think about the definition of low back pain, it's a pain, it's a symptom, and it's subjective, meaning that everybody experiences low back pain in different ways. And the meaning that pain means to them is different too. That makes it very much more complex than a straightforward, this is the one or two things that you must do to get rid of your low back pain. First of all, we need to find out exactly what the cause of it is. So to do that, you need to go to an expert, because it's very difficult if you don't know what to look for, what to examine for, what to test for, to know exactly what the cause of that back pain is. And there's many different structures that could do that. So for example, it could be your organs, it could be some bones in there, or the joints, it might be some ligaments, it might be muscles, it might be discs, it might be nerves, it might be a whole host of other things in that area. So we need to first of all determine that. The first step is to really get a consultation, because during a consultation, a very good consultation, and just a diagnosis based on an extremely good consultation, is actually going to be a very, very good, very accurate diagnosis just based on that alone, without doing any tests. However, when you add tests into your consultation and examination process, then you're going to make sure that that diagnosis is extremely accurate. Also, it's never going to be perfect, but it's got a very good chance of being as close to the best diagnosis that you can have. Once you know what that diagnosis is, that's easy then. All you then do is you flip it and you then reverse what's happened, and that's your treatment plan to resolve what the cause of the low back pain is. And it's not just about getting rid of the pain, but it's about making sure we restore normal and optimized function, to restore the normal body alignment, to make sure the body is functioning correctly and optimally, to prevent things coming back in the future as well, rather than having a yo-yo pattern. And we see that with a lot of people. They'll go, oh, I've had some low back pain, it's gone away, it comes back again, goes away, comes back again. And the way you get that resolved properly is to really get the cause of the condition sorted out. And so, for example, if you are suffering with some sort of low back pain, the way you can help and what you can do to help along the way is, first of all, avoid anything that aggravates it. Because you see, once you start aggravating it, whether it be you keep pressing it to see if it still hurts, or whether you kind of keep powering through because you may have Googled or checked online that, hey, people are generically advising you to keep moving, keep active, that might be aggravating your condition and actually making the condition worse. So we just stop doing anything that aggravates it, because your body is very clever. It's already telling you not to do that action or function. Then what you want to think about doing is find the local health professional that you have. And there's many different ways you can find a local health professional. Either it might be that you speak to your loved ones and they recommend someone to you, or that you might actually look online and see whether there's someone that's close to you, because the closer they are, the more convenient they are for you, so you can actually get the care that you need. And also they might actually want to find out whether they've had great results with the type of pain that you've been experiencing. But also remember, it's not just the pain, it's the condition that's causing the pain. That's very difficult to tell at that point. So you just have to kind of just see who you're going to go with and go from there. Once you've got a diagnosis, speak to your practitioner about what the diagnosis is, what the treatment plan is, how they can help you prevent that getting worse. And let's stop living in this yo-yo life of pain and relief, and actually go from relief to optimized function, and then actually in line with your lifestyle goals, so you can do all the lovely things you want to achieve in your life. I hope you found this useful. Please remember to follow us on all of our socials at Avid Clinic and at Trishul Vardy. Thank you so much.